In this video, I will show you how to eliminate the thumping sound coming from the micro V-belt on the Aspire and the Aspire with a foot pedal. You may need to follow these steps if your wheel is making this sound that does not dissipate over a short period of time. This is what it sounds like. The thumping sound can develop if the belt has been sitting in one spot for too long. When it sits idle, the belt conforms around the small pulley and develops a hard spot. When the belt rotates around, it can make a thumping sound. The first corrective measure to try to eliminate the thumping sound is to run your wheel at near top speed for upwards of 30 minutes. This in itself can sometimes eliminate the thumping sound as seen here. Sometimes the thump will dissipate, but you can still hear remnants of the thump. This no longer poses any issues when throwing. The second corrective measure, if running the wheel for an extended period of time does not take care of the thump, is to remove the belt and work out the hard spot. First, remove the 6 screws that hold the bottom metal plate, then remove the plate. Let's take a look inside the wheel. First, we see the large pulley assembly. This houses the wheel bearings as well as being the large flywheel for the wheel head. Next, let's take a look at the small pulley. It is directly driven by the motor. It has a series of grooves that the micro V-belt fits into. Since the wheel has been running for some time, the belt is warmed up, making it more pliable, allowing us to work out the hard spot. First, remove the belt by pulling it away from the large pulley as the pulley rotates slowly. Continue to gently pull the belt away. Once the belt has been removed from the large pulley, maneuver it out of the wheel. Take a look at the belt. Find the bend. That's the hard spot. Flip the belt inside out so the grooves of the belt are facing out. With your thumb, work the hard spot out. Once the bend is greatly reduced or gone, replace the belt back onto the wheel. Start by feeding the belt around the small pulley, matching the ridges of the belt to the grooves of the small pulley. Take the belt to the large pulley and start stretching it across. There should be some tension, so as you are feeding it onto the large pulley, rotate the pulley to assist the belt's seating. Once the belt is on, run your wheel to complete the self-seating of the belt. Replace the metal bottom cover.